Hello everyone, welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to automatically sending message to multiple group member. First, you need to copy the Facebook group link and paste it into the software. The software will then automatically convert the link into UIDs. Next, copy the UID, select the group member scanning feature, set the number of members you want to scan, and the software will automatically scan the group members for you. After successfully scanning, you can export the member list as an Excel file. You can open the Excel file, which includes information about the Facebook accounts, such as UID, account name, gender, and personal Facebook profile link. Then, log in to the MKT Care software, select the viral marketing feature, and choose the message sending option. After that, select the message content you've prepared to send to your target audience. An essential step is to copy the UIDs of the group members you previously scanned and input them into the software. Finally, set up a few basic parameters. Select the accounts you want to use for messaging, accounts already added to the software beforehand, and click Start. The software will use multiple Facebook accounts to automatically send messages to the group members you have scanned. This solution helps you save time and effort, allowing your product/service to automatically reach potential customers. Thank you and see you in next videos.